Kia ora, my name's Ahli and we just finished the pōhiri for the Warriors and we're just going to interview them. So she knows Matakino Gray. Excuse me? Can I interview you, please?
Yep, I'll just take a photo.
Yep.
Which turn?
No, just like...
Okay,
easy. Okay. Kia ora, what's your name?
Kia ora, my name's Taisha and I play for the New Zealand Women's Warriors.
And what position are you?
I play centre.
And who was your idol growing up?
Oh, my idol growing up was actually a netball player called Temapara George. I'm a bit older, but she was amazing. I don't really have a league idol yet.
And do you know Matakino Gray?
Yes, she's my teammate.
Yeah, she's my cousin.
Ah.
Oh, and can you give a shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
And a shout out to Rotorua Primary up the Waz.
Thank you. Kia ora, what's your name?
Bishop Neil.
And what's your position in league?
I play back row.
And who was your idol when growing up?
I'll probably say my idol was like Greg Innings or my dad. Yeah.
And do you think Leka Halasima got robbed?
I feel like everyone deserved what they got.
Yeah. And can you give a big shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
Yeah, shout out to Rotorua Primary.
Thank you. Kia ora, what's your name?
My name's Kirk Capewell. What's your name, sorry?
Oh, Ali Gillies.
Wade Egan.
And what's your position in league?
Second row.
Dummy half, number 9.
And who was your idol growing up?
My dad.
Footy wise, I used to go for the Knights, so Andrew Johns and Danny Medeiros.
And can you give a big shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
What is it?
Rotorua Primary.
Hey, Rotorua Primary, Kurt and Wade here. Thanks for having us.
Sure.
Thank you guys.
Stacey.
And did you play league?
I used to a long time ago.
What was your position?
I was a halfback.
And who was your idol growing up?
Who was my idol? Oh wow, my grandfather. He played for New Zealand. Yeah.
That's good. And can you give a shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
Kia ora, Rotorua Primary, up the Waz.
Kia ora, what's your name?
Dallin Watson is your listener.
And what's your position in rugby?
I play on the wing.
And who was your idol growing up?
My idol, player. My dad's my idol. I think everyone's dad's their idol, but a player would I love Jared Hayne, Greg Inglis, and Will Hopewadi. Love the way they play the game.
That's good. And can you give a big shout out to Rotorua Primary?
Yeah, let's give a shout out to Rotorua Primary. Hope you guys are well and hope to meet you. Am I going tomorrow to meet them?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see you tomorrow.